GBPUSD analysis today. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video, we'll talk about pound against dollar. So before we start the video, if you're new to the channel, then make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification. And below the video, you'll find some links. It says join free Telegram channel. So go and join Telegram if you want some free signals every now and then. And then check out the brokers and the platform right here. So go and sign up with these brokers when you want to trade with my signals. I want you to trade with my signals in a separate broker account using these brokers. Especially you can start a demo account for now, okay? Because I need the data that how many trades did you win or lose from my signals. So separate account for my signals, subscribe, like, do all of that. Coming back to the chart here, starting the top down approach with weekly time frame. Weekly, last week we had been red and this week we have started red. So this could be the start of the collapse or this can nearly be a pullback. Okay, so let's see what we have here. So 1, 2, 3, three red candles in last 1 week, I think. So this was the uptrend. Okay, so as I said, this could merely be a pullback of this uptrend because from here till here we had the uptrend in daily chart. Now we are taking a pullback. Now this pullback will come until the rejection of the EMA. Okay, so the red candles will come and touch the EMA, and then we may bounce back. That would be the continuation of the uptrend, or else a collapse will start happening. Collapse means will break the EMA. The candles will break the EMA and then continue further going down. That will happen in maybe next 10 days if that is the case. Okay. So we have two possibilities in daily chart. We will touch the EMA, reject the EMA, then continue going up, or else we'll break below the EMA and continue the collapse. Okay. So collapse in my language, collapse means here trend reversal. Okay. In GBP and Euro, we have been in the uptrend since more than 4.5 months now. So Euro and GBP had been in the uptrend for more than 4.5 months. So collapse can happen anytime now in 10 days, 15 weeks or whatever, okay? Collapse means here trend reversal. Trend reversal will only happen when the blue candle crosses below the EMA, okay? Until we have rejections coming from the EMA, like in this case, we'll continue the uptrend, okay? So right now what's happening in daily, it's the uptrend that we're taking a pullback. We'll only get to know in the days to come that if it's a continuation of the uptrend in daily or will it be a collapse, okay? So coming back to 4 hour, what's our entry? Our entry should be short for now. Okay, let's see. New low pullback, new low created GBPUSD. Okay, so what's going to happen now? If you're a swing trader, we will touch the EMA, then the red candle, then we go down. Okay, I'm expecting the downtrend to continue. So we will have this or further blue candles touching the EMA. The price will reject the EMA. They will have the red candle and will go down. Okay, in other case scenario, if this high is broken by blue candles, if this high is broken, then that will be the continuation of the uptrend. So if this high is broken, take a pullback. After pullback, you go up. Okay, but looks like new low, pullback, new low. This is the downtrend. Rejection will come from the EMA, then the red candle, then you enter sell and take your profits right here. Okay, so look for buys only if this high is broken. Otherwise, rejection, and it's quite a clean trade for me. If the rejection will come from here and then the blue candle and then the red candle, so rejection, red candle, then you enter short and take your profit somewhere here. And that's good enough. So this is too much for free. So subscribe, like, share the video. Whatever you see is worth thousands of dollars. Nobody's doing this for free. Your responsibility is to spread the awareness or spread the voice of this channel, okay? And because you can go on lookout. You can go on YouTube, search everybody else. What they're doing for free is they're telling you trend is down, look for shorts, trend is up, look for buys or longs, okay? Nobody tells you when to enter long, when to enter short the way I told you for free. It's too much to tell you for free, okay? So what you got for free is too much. So appreciate it, what I'm doing. Otherwise, I can stop doing it for, anytime I want to, okay? I'll see how people respond. If people don't appreciate my work, I'll stop it. Let's see how you feel about it. So subscribe, like, share, join Telegram, join brokers. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care.